Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix text notification sound not working in Realme 14T. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration, and here you can turn on your notification sound. After turn on your notification sound, then go back and scroll down and click on apps. Up on top you can see the option app management. Now click on it and then scroll down and click on messages app, and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the data and cache memory of messages app. After clear data and cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. On top you can see the option software update. Now click on it, and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.